Hope you all are feeling amazing today, and I hope you all are feeling productive as well. So I was going through Linear's website, and they have an amazing website. If you haven't seen it, go check this out. Well, I'm not promoting them in this video. I was just going through their website, and I found this amazing card. This animation is also cool. I'd like to show it in another video. But for this video, I was thinking like, what if we make this card? As you can see, there is this cool interaction happening here. So if you look at the cursor, there is a glow effect moving around with the cursor, and it's pretty amazing, right? It's pretty cool. So let's make this one in Figma. So I have already made one version of the card. It's not the same, but it's pretty much similar with this one. So so now what we want to do, we want to have that effect on this card. So to have that, what we need to do, we need to make a rectangle. So I'm going with 120, right, and giving it white color, right? And now I'm duplicating it. So in one, I want to apply an effect, and we'll go with layer blur, and I'll go with maybe 200. Yeah, it's good. And also I'll reduce the opacity to 75%, or maybe even 50. 50 is too low. 75 was good. And I'll just use 0% opacity here. Now what I want to do, I want to make multiple components from here, and also want to combine them as variant. But this time I'll just rename this as glow. And now I want to have an animation here. So from here to this box rectangle, I want to have an hover effect, and also I want a linear. I want a linear. So linear animation. So what you need to do, you go to, not linear, just go to custom Bezier, and your Bezier will be looking like this. So just hold it and make it like this. Now it's good to go. So now what we want to do here, is I'm gonna select this one I'm gonna select this one, and I'll just duplicate it, select this one and this one, make auto layout, and then also another one. So it has 360. It's cool. Now I also want to have another version of it, so I'm duplicating it, and then I want to apply auto layout. I'm pressing Shift and A to apply auto layout. All right, so then I want another version of it, right? So it's done. So now I want to have it inside it. So this is 285. This one is 360. What if I remove this one? 240. So all right, so I'll just make it another one. Now I'm copying it, pasting it inside of it. All right, now what I want to do, I want to use it in absolute position. So it's there, and I'm moving it over here, right? And while doing it, I'm holding down space bar so that it doesn't go out of the frame, right? So we have our card just like this. Now in this card, I want to apply clip content, right? So if we go and check this out now, let's check it out if it works or not. Yeah, cool, we have it. Cool, it's looking nice. So it's not just exactly the same, but it's almost similar. Well, I'll just reduce the opacity now of this, maybe from 75 to 50, and increase the blur effect, right? So the effect was maybe 200. I'll go with 300, right? And then it should look pretty much similar. Cool. I also want to have this glow effect at the border, right? So how can I do that? We actually need a smart component, interactive component of this card. So I'm gonna select this card and make another version of it. And in this version, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a stroke of white, right? And I'll give it a linear color and make it to maybe 50% opacity, right? And also I want to apply that linear gradient like this, right? Cool. So like this, right? So now I want to make smart component, multiple component from here. So I'm gonna select both of them and create component, combine as variant. So the interaction I want over here is when I hover over it, it should go to this state, right? And I want it to be instant. So yep, now I'll just copy it, replace here, and I'll make some other versions like by duplicating it. All right, I'm selecting all of those, making auto layout by pressing Shift and A. I'm giving them a padding of 12, and also I need another at the bottom. I'll select both and auto layout them again, and yep, the distance should be 12 here as well, and I'll make them at the center of the page and resize the constraint. All right, cool. So now if we check, we have this and it's looking good, but yeah, the border is too much, so I'll just go on this, reduce the opacity to maybe 25%, right? So yep, cool. It's pretty much similar, but you know, you've got it. Like, this is the way that you can achieve it. So yep, this was it. I hope you have learned something new. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know any other interaction, like how to do. Like, I'm planning to go with this one, how to do it. I'd like to show you guys how to achieve it. It's pretty easy to do in Figma. And yep, see you later. Bye.